Hey guys, this is Joey and Ella's mom, and we are today going to do a review of the new Christmas present called the Noms Lip Gloss Truck. And here is the famous Ella to help describe the truck that she got for Christmas.
Hello, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
So, I'm going to be cutting open and she's going to
And this is already open, so we got this little num. That's delicious.
So I can go ahead and start cutting it open?
Yeah. I think that's like the main thing about opening it. And I just opened it. Guys, it's that.
This little guy comes out.
It's not, it's this guy. It's really this guy, and then, you can really put your num-num. You can put your num-num in the truck.
Then you just have to...
And you can take this off of it. And there's opening too.
Alright, so there's a piece you have to cut back here.
Oh, look, Mama.
And some pieces here.
Look, you can really use this for something.
And we will read, once we get it out, we might have to read a few directions.
There's a num-num. Ow, Mom. Oh my gosh, I just have a boo-boo. Just kidding me.
Alright, you do have to be careful when opening products, not to get stabbed with the scissors.
You need the adult. And she just stabbed me.
But when you have an adult, you need to make sure you watch out for the adult scissors.
Scissors are really sharp. I can say that. I'm not in the video, really. Well, you're not, but you see it on? Yeah. So, I took this out, and I'm like, oh, I should have didn't, but it's so cute. I have to show you guys. But look at that. It's a little cupcake. But look, this ring, I know how to do this. I've been watching YouTube.
Merry Christmas, by the way.
Yeah, we celebrated early. Yeah.
Today is the actual Christmas.
But we celebrated early because Joey's not here.
Yeah, the famous Joey isn't with us today, but he will be back soon to do more videos. And it sounds like him and Ella are going to start a blind bag day.
Yeah.
To be opening their 30, how many blind bags did you guys?
35.
35 blind bags.
And
Reveal.
a blind.
Okay, so this is one thing.
Yeah, and this thing. And a num-num truck.
All right, so here's the truck
And
out.
there's this thing on him. This thing. We need to take off. No, let's take off. There's one. There's a num-num thing that we need. We need this. We need this, Mom.
We're going to get it.
A num-num. Okay, I'm going to see who we got. Hold on, guys. I'm not going to be in the video. I'm trying to see who we got. We got...
We're going to put all the pieces.
I'm trying to find the num-num we got. In the package. Is it in the sweet aisle, Mom? Do you think it's in the sweet aisle? I don't see it. I'm just gonna do it later. I have no clue.
All right, so first you have your truck.
The num-num truck, and then you can put your num-num in the front. So you can put your num-num in the front.
All right, here's the directions.
And then you have this num-num list, whoever you got. Num-num.
And it says,
Num-num.
make lip gloss.
Yeah. So, the main thing is the lip gloss making. Making it. Okay. So you make lip gloss, and I already know how to do it. There's sprinkles. There's sprinkles.
It's a big box for just a little bit of stuff, really.
It's a big box. It's the biggest box you ever saw.
Not really a lot to it.
Yeah. Just that way. No.
This point, you just out of the box. And it comes with this little
Thing, you need to have to.
scoop back so you can see.
Ouch! I'll get it. This num stuff
Yeah,
you
let's
need
scoot
for.
the camera back a little bit so you can. Okay, this little.
I wonder. Oh, it's like glitter. It's like glitter to make it sparkly. It says sprinkles, but man. This to make your smelly cherry and vanilla.
And you have this little thing.
To hold your lip gloss in.
And you have
That one to put your lip gloss in.
this little container. It's super cute. It's a little.
We need more of these.
Wait, don't open that up yet because we don't know what we're going to do with it.
I know what to do, Mom. So
And this little guy.
there's 2 ice cream cones and 1 in a cup.
And this little.
Yeah. In this one, you do not put your lip gloss in. This one you don't.
We need to get it better.
You need a better shot.
Okay, so
So there's all the stuff you know.
directions say number 1. Before beginning, cover the play area. Well, it's my table. Half ruined anyway, so what does it matter?
Why?
But at home you will protect it from possible damage. Remove the mixing, or actually you should have your stuff in your truck. So this is supposed to go here on your truck. Remove the lid, which we did, from the lip gloss container. Divide the gloss into 8 equal slices.
8. Okay, so with this thing, you have to cut. Ow, my tooth hurts. Mom, my tooth hurts.
Into 8 equal slices.
Wow. Wow. Making lip gloss is so hard. I never knew. Did you ever know?
No, I didn't know we were going to be doing all this, but
I knew. I've been watching YouTube.
okay.
It's fun. Take 1 slice.
Using the spatula, remove 1 slice and place it
That's the
into the
spatula.
mixing cup.
So take 1.
Where's the mixing cup?
Mixing cup is right here. Mixing cup.
Okay, this is your mixing cup. I don't think they can really see what we're doing.
Yeah. I
Can
think
you hold it back a little
we
bit?
can do.
Go back. That's good.
Yeah, that's better. So there's vanilla. Like I said, there's
So let me take a
vanilla.
slice
Vanilla.
and put it into.
There's some sprinkles. I can't show it. And then slice.
So
It said 1.
I am doing one.
And then,
I'm just making sure you get it all.
oh, my hands are
So
so
you want to make sure you get it all in there.
like smushed it. Smushed it. Smushed it. Ah.
Don't get it on your hands. Go get a paper towel.
Okay.
I'm just gonna get a paper towel because this is kind of
A messy project.
messy here.
Oh God, Mom.
Okay.
You made a mess, Mom.
Open the cap next of the flavoring and remove the seal. Replacing the cap, add 10 drops to lip gloss. Stirring and thoroughly. So you have to decide which one.
I want them to do the vanilla. Wait, can't do it again.
Hold on, I gotta remove the seal.
The seal. I'll do the other one.
Nope, I'm gonna do that. You can add the drops.
How many? How many do you do?
10.
10. That's enough. That's probably enough.
So, seal.
This is a fun project. Right.
You had 2 choices. You have
Cherry or vanilla. So I'm gonna go for the vanilla.
here. You just open the cap.
I don't really like do cherries. I don't. But I guess it smells good.
We can try the cherry next time.
Maybe we can do both.
No, it just says to do one. So you just gotta follow directions. Don't cheat on the directions. 10 drops. So
Ooh, it's hard. Should I just like
oh, it is kind of hard. 1, 2,
two,
3, 4,
and then mix
Five.
I think.
6, 7, 8,
Smells good already.
10. And then you take your spatula
And mix
or your
it.
spoon. Do we have a spoon? No.
No, you want to get a spoon?
Okay. And it says stir.
I knew it.
Add a few drops of glitter sparkle too.
Okay, go for it.
You can do that while I'll stir for you, and you can add the.
That's good. Wait, how about I just do that? That's enough. So you want to know if you want to have a parent because you might get a little messy at your house. There's the truck. I don't want to see more of it. There's the truck. As you can see, there's the. Oh, Mom, did you know you can put your.
So where's the glitter sparkles again? Let me see those.
Mom,
So-
you know you can put your objects right here,
Yeah.
and then you will like have your, and then you can carry it, and then around. You're like bye bye. And you have your yummy lip gloss, and look, there's the doors. Wait, can you open this, Mom?
The glitter doesn't come out very easily, so you gotta make
You
sure.
can open it, Mom. Look.
Neat. All right, so
Neat. Yeah, neat.
we got some glitter in there.
That looks pretty.
See, as you can see, we're making a
Little thing.
mixture.
And then
All right, so once we get that done, it says remove the Num Num
hopefully.
lip gloss top from the lip gloss holder. Then place the holder under the dispenser.
What's a dispenser? What's that? How do you do it? Ooh. What do you mean under the?
Remove the lip.
Do you think it should
Wait.
go?
Oh. Okay, we gotta get a. Okay, so basically, we took
There's
this.
the truck. That's the truck. And then it's mixing it more. I'm just mixing
So
it
we
better.
took this out, and then you have to pour it
in.
into the dispenser.
Do you think it's gonna spill?
Well, it says to put it in there.
Mom, can you do it?
Yeah.
Let's let the mom do it.
But before you do that, put underneath whatever you want to put it in.
I want to put it in something easy.
Which one?
This one.
Okay, so
Can you open it, Mom? My hands are sticky. I need a paper towel. My hands are sticky.
this is a very sticky job. Trust us on that.
Yeah, sticky. But it smells good.
Make sure you do have an adult doing this with you because.
Scissors are sharp.
Give me that paper towel.
I don't have it. I'm back.
So you put your lip gloss in here. That you make. We did vanilla,
Yeah, I love vanilla. It smells so
sparkly vanilla.
sparkly. You don't have to do sparkles if you don't want to.
We didn't put a lot because it's our first time.
Yeah,
So
you should have.
we just did a little.
I only did a little because I didn't know how to do
But
it
luckily we
really.
didn't do too much because it is quite a messy job.
Yeah.
Alright, so we have it ready now. Ellie, you're going to put this in the top and
And
push
I'm
it
gonna-
down.
Okay.
See what happens. Oh wait. Yes, look, it's coming out.
Ah!
It's cute. It's coming out like ice cream.
Can you do it, Mom? It's hard.
I think we got it all out. Actually, it's